What if the greatest power you possess isn't in your effort, but in your ability to stop? We live in a world that worships motion, constant productivity, endless goals, and the illusion that more activity equals more progress. Yet, when you truly listen, you discover something profound. Rest is not a retreat from strength, it is strength. You've been taught to chase, to grind, to never slow down. But maybe the real mastery is knowing when to stop running. Because when you learn to rest, you don't quit the journey. You prepare for it. Today, let's explore a truth that ancient philosophers, monks, and warriors all understood. Rest is an act of wisdom, not weakness. In this reflection, you'll discover why stillness strengthens your mind, how rest restores your creativity and courage, and how embracing calm can transform your entire relationship with effort. By the end, you'll see that slowing down is not the opposite of success, it's what allows it to last. Lesson 1. Rest is the foundation of renewal. Every living thing in nature follows a rhythm of activity and rest. The waves rise, then fall, the sun burns, then sets, the forest flourishes, then sleeps. Only humans believe we can ignore this law and still thrive. There's an old story about a woodcutter who worked tirelessly from dawn to dusk. Each day his strength faded, but he refused to pause to sharpen his axe. Another man, who stopped every few hours to rest and sharpen his blade, finished twice as much work with half the effort. The message is simple. Rest is the sharpening of your soul. When you rest, truly rest, you aren't wasting time. You're rebuilding energy, clarity, and emotional balance. The body repairs itself. The mind reorganizes ideas. The spirit realigns with purpose. How to apply it? Each day, schedule time that isn't filled with noise. No screens, no scrolling, no stimulation. Take a walk, sit in silence, breathe slow and deep. The world won't collapse if you stop moving, but your life will expand when you start resting. Lesson 2. Stillness reveals truth. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "Nowhere can man find a quieter or more untroubled retreat than in his own soul." When you stop moving, something miraculous happens. The truth that's been buried under noise begins to surface. You start hearing your inner voice, not the anxious chatter of the mind, but the calm knowing of the heart. Think of a burning candle. A candle cannot burn steadily in strong wind, but when the air grows calm, the flame stands tall and bright. Your thoughts are that flame. When you allow stillness, clarity returns. In constant motion, you lose sight of what matters, but in quiet, you regain vision. You begin to see where you've been forcing life and where you simply need to let it unfold. How to apply it? Set aside 10 minutes each day for intentional stillness. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and just observe your thoughts without judgment. This small act builds mental clarity, resilience, and wisdom, the kind that no book or hustle can teach. Lesson 3. Rest cultivates strength, not laziness. There's a misconception that rest equals laziness, but laziness drains you, rest restores you. A lion doesn't chase every animal it sees. It waits, conserves energy, and strikes only when the moment is right. That's not weakness, that's intelligent strength. The modern world glorifies burnout. We wear exhaustion like a badge of honor. But the truth is, exhaustion isn't proof of greatness. It's evidence of imbalance. True strength is not in endless motion, but in conscious mastery of energy. It's the ability to say, "I have done enough for now. The next step will come when I'm ready." How to apply it? Listen to your inner signals. Fatigue, irritation, or creative emptiness are not enemies. They are messengers. When they arrive, don't suppress them. Pause. Recharge. You'll return sharper, steadier, and far more powerful. Lesson 4. Rest connects you to presence. When you rest, you return to the present moment, the only place where life truly happens. Many people are running toward a future that never arrives. They forget that peace is not something you achieve after success. It's something you experience when you stop chasing. A Zen saying goes, "Sitting quietly, doing nothing, spring comes, and the grass grows by itself." Life unfolds naturally when you allow yourself to be. You don't have to force every outcome. You just need to stay present, aligned, and awake. How to apply it? Practice presence in small ways. Drink your morning coffee without distractions. Feel the warmth of sunlight on your skin. Listen to the world around you. These simple moments of rest are sacred. They reconnect you with life itself. Lesson 5. Rest teaches trust. When you rest, you practice the art of trust. Trust in life, trust in timing, trust in yourself. Many people fear stillness because they equate it with falling behind. But sometimes the most courageous act is to stop pushing and let life catch up to you. Rest says, I have done my part. Now I allow life to do the rest. How to apply it? Take time each week to step back and reflect, not just on what you've done, but on what you've become. You'll realize that growth often happens in the quiet spaces, between one effort and the next. Ask yourself, when was the last time you truly rested? Not as an escape, but as an act of self-respect. Do you allow yourself to be still without guilt? What would change if you treated rest as part of your strength, not a break from it? Remember, rest is not the opposite of life's journey. It's the rhythm that gives the journey its shape and beauty. The path to strength is not found in endless effort, but in knowing when to rest, calm, clear, and fully alive. Remember, rest isn't the absence of work. It's the quiet power that renews every thought, every choice, every dream. If this message spoke to you, share your thoughts below. What does true rest mean to you today? And if you wish to keep exploring timeless wisdom for the modern world, like this video and follow the art of living well for free. Because a strong life begins the moment you choose to rest.